Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to your favorite channel PSTNs. In this episode, let me show you some of the journal list published by Springer Nature indexed in Scopus. And during this lockdown period, if you are planning to write a review article and if you are thinking where to submit, then you need to watch this video till the end, because in this video I am going to show you some of the list of journals where you can target your COVID-19 paper. So moving on to the video, before going on to the video, let me remind you to please do hit the subscribe button and share my videos as much as possible so that you can stay connected. And if you have any queries related to your research, then please do contact us at phdns@gmail.com, and you can WhatsApp us at the following number. So let us jump onto the video and start our journal list. So first journal in the list is Journal of Biological Engineering, and it has a good impact factor of 2.6 and acceptance rate of 42%. And you can read the aims and scope of this journal, which has a wide range of aims and scope, and it, according to me, it would be the best journal to target your COVID-19 if your manuscript is suitable or up to this journal standard. So it is being indexed by various databases. You can also find PubMed Central, Scopus, and citation reports, SciIndex, etc. So the next journal in the list is Autonomous Robots, where you can target your COVID-19 uh, review article if you are working on the role of robots during such pandemic situation. How can a robot act as a human being to control this pandemic situation? So you can see the aims and scope, and this journal is having an impact factor of 3.6 with the acceptance rate of 47, which is really good, and it is indexed in various databases including Scopus. So moving on to the next journal in the list, Drugs. If you feel that certain drugs, maybe from microbial origin or plant origin, can really act as a drug, life-saving drug, then you can write a review on such drugs. And this journal is having an impact factor of 4.9 with acceptance rate of 42%, and it is indexed in various databases including Scopus, Sci expanded databases, etc. It has a wide range of aims and scope. If you feel that your research is best suited to this journal, then you can easily target. You can also target if you have any research related to drug discovery or drug modulation, etc. The journals in this video are extracted from Springer Journal Suggester. So you can also browse your abstract and check whether your research falls under these journals, or you can also choose a different journal based on your scientific domain. So moving on to the next journal in the list, Journal of International Society of Sports Nutrition. How COVID-19 has paralyzed the sports activity. You can write a review article and submit to this journal. And what are the nutritional aspects which can help you to maintain your health during this COVID-19? If you are working on similar aspect, then you can write a review article, submit to this journal, because this journal has an impact factor of 3.8 and the acceptance rate is 45%. It is really good enough to submit. It is indexed by PubMed Central, Scopus, and other reputed databases. So, moving on to the next journal in the list is CNS drugs. It has an impact factor of 4.21 with acceptance rate of 44, which is indexed in various databases including Scopus. And you can see this journal is mainly related to neurology. And if you think that you can draft a review article related to the impact of COVID-19 on the psychology and neurological diseases, then you can easily target this journal. So moving on to the next journal in the list is Investigational New Drugs. Here, according to the journal title, they accept articles related to new drugs or the existing drugs in controlling new diseases, I believe. So we can see the aims and scope of this journal, which is really wide enough, and you can also check the indexing pattern. It is included in Scopus and other reputed databases. It has an impact factor of 2.6 with good acceptance rate of 50. If you think that you can give your input on a particular drug, or you can highlight that role of plants in searching of new drugs or microbial mediated drugs or any kind of drugs which you feel that can be suitable for a particular disease along with COVID-19, then you can choose this journal for your next submission. Moving on to the next journal in the list, Substance Abuse Treatment Prevention and Policy, and which has an impact factor of 2.1 with the acceptance rate of 50. So this journal is peer-reviewed journal which focuses on the substance and its negative effects and their treatment policies. If you feel that particular uh, habits can tamper the individual health, which can influence the infections and also COVID-19 spread, then you can write a review article and check the aims and scope of this journal and try to submit your upcoming research results. It is indexed in PubMed Central, Scopus, Google Scholar, and other reputed databases. Moving on to the next journal in the list is Heritage Science. It has an impact factor of 2.21 with a higher acceptance rate of 71%. And you can find the aims and scope of this journal, and which is indexed in various reputed databases including Scopus, etc. So if you are planning to submit your upcoming review article which is related to like environmental context of material types, objects and buildings of cultural significance including their historical significance, understanding the prediction of physico-chemical and biological degradation process of cultural artifacts including climate change, predictive heritage studies, etc., which is really good aims. These are really good aims and scope of the journal where you can easily target. So moving on to the next journal in the list, Scientific Reports. It is one of the reputed journal published by Springer Nature. It has an impact factor of 4.0 with the fast review process for their first decision and the acceptance rate of 56, which has a wide range of coverage related to like environmental aspects, medical aspects, and drug related aspects, pharmacology related aspects, etc. If you feel that any research related to COVID-19 can be targeted to this journal, then you can read the aims and scope, read the author's guidelines, and try to submit your research paper. It is indexed in various databases, including Scopus. So moving on to the next journal in the list, Environmental Sciences Europe. If you feel that there are various environmental factors which is influencing COVID-19, then you can draft your review article related to this and try to target this journal which is exclusively related to environmental science, which has an impact factor of high impact factor of 5.8 with acceptance rate of 54, and it is indexed in Scopus. So moving on to the next journal in the list, the International Journal of Life Cycle Assessment. If you feel any research related to life cycle or lifespan of a particular raw material or particular component which you can relate to COVID-19, then you can easily target this journal which has an impact factor of 4.8 and acceptance rate of 40, which is indexed in reputed databases including Scopus. So you can check the author's guidelines and aims and scope of this journal before targeting. So moving on to the next journal in the list, Immunity and Aging. If you feel the role of immunity is really important to combat COVID-19, and if you have any idea, you can draft your review article on this aspect and try to target this journal because it has an impact factor of 4.2 with acceptance rate of 62. So you can read the aims and scope. This journal was started publishing since 2004, and it is exclusively related to immunity and aging. It is indexed by PubMed Central, Scopus, and other reputed databases. Moving on to the next journal in the list, Lipids in Health and Disease. It has an impact factor of 2.6 with acceptance rate of 57, and if you feel the role of lipids in health and diseases, and if you can correlate this concept with related to COVID-19, then you can easily target this journal. It is an open access peer reviewed journal that publishes articles on all aspects of lipids such as their biochemistry, pharmacology, toxicology, role in health and disease, and synthesis of new lipid compounds. It is indexed in various databases, reputed databases including PubMed Central and Scopus. Moving on to the next journal in the list, Fire Ecology. So you can draft a review article related to ecology. You can see this fire ecology has a different aims and scope like management, how a fire management can help in prevention or management of COVID-19 with their uh, themes or with their regulations. It is also welcomes research related to social science, geography, sociology, anthropology, fuel, planning and risk management, law, policies, fire management, technology transfer products, etc. It has been indexed by various reputed databases including Scopus. So moving on to the next journal in the list is AMB Express. AMB Express, the full form of AMB Express is Applied and Industrial Microbiology with a particular interest in white biotechnology and red biotechnology. It is related to various aspects of biotechnology and microbiology. If you are planning to write a review article related to COVID-19 and comparing your draft with microbial or biotechnological aspects, then you can easily target this journal because it has an impact factor of 2.2 with acceptance rate of 43, and it is indexed by PubMed Central, Scopus, and other reputed databases. So moving on to the next journal in the list, Plant Methods. As I mentioned earlier, if you feel that plant origin medicines can be an answer for upcoming pandemic infection or diseases including COVID-19, then you can come up with your draft and try to target plant related journals, including these journals where you can see the aims and scope of this journal. You can check the aims and scope, read author's guidelines. It has an impact factor of 3.1 with acceptance rate of 43. It is indexed by PubMed Central, Scopus, etc. Moving on to the next journal in the list is EvoDevo. It is an international journal which publishes translation of genotype or phenotype in a phylogenetic context. Understanding the history of life, the evolution of novelty and generation of forms. If you are planning to like come up with an idea of origin of COVID-19, how it evolved, then this is a right platform where you can target your um, research article because it has an impact factor of 2.2 with acceptance rate of 59. It is indexed in PubMed Central, Scopus Journal, etc. Moving on to the next journal in the list, Biodrugs. Biodrugs is an is a platform, it's a journal which covers the development and therapeutical application of biotechnological based pharmaceutical and diagnostic products. If you have any idea of developing a biosensor or diagnostic tool, coming up with an idea of therapeutic agents or any drug molecule, then you can write a draft on it and correlate with the existing COVID-19 and other related diseases so that you can target this journal because it has an impact factor of 4.9 with acceptance rate of 44. It is indexed in various reputed databases including Scopus. So moving on to the next journal in the list, Journal of Neuroimmune Pharmacology, which as the title indicates it is related to neuroimmune pharmacology like neurosystem immunology and pharmacology, which plays a very important role in such pandemic diseases. If you have any idea related to such concept, then you can come up with your review. Try to read this aims and scope, author's guidelines, and if you feel it is the best journal, then you can target. It has an impact factor of 3.8 with acceptance rate of 41% with rapid review process for your first decision within 1 month. It is indexed in various databases including Scopus. Moving on to the next journal in the list, Journal of Neurovirology. Uh, it is an excellent platform to target your virological aspect studies related to neurobiology. So if you have any idea related to such concept, then you target this journal. It has an impact factor of 2.3 with acceptance rate of 68%, which is really good enough. So it is indexed in various databases including Scopus. So you can check the author's guidelines before submitting. Last but not the least, Journal of Bioenergetics and Biomembranes. It has an impact factor of 2.5 with 55% of acceptance rate and rapid review process within 37 days. You can read the aims and scope of this journal and you can see the indexing pattern of this journal which is indexed by Scopus and other reputed databases. So these journals were an example or a list of journals which were extracted from Springer Nature Journal Suggester. If you have plans of submitting related articles of COVID-19, you can log on to Springer Nature Journal Suggester and enter your title, manuscript, and refine your search, which will give you different journal list where you can check each individual journal and target your upcoming research data. So with this, let me thank you for watching this video. Please do comment on this video, and if you are new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button, and if you have any queries, don't forget to contact us on phdns@gmail.com with your queries. Also, you can contact us on WhatsApp, and please do stay connected by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, sharing this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.